Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, front wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.